Hey guys, this is Shauna Jones, the CEO and founder of LivBay Lash here in Las Vegas. This channel is dedicated to everything lashes and beauty, so if you haven't yet already, go ahead and hit the subscription button below. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about Unpopular Opinions, Lash Edition. So unpopular opinion number one is lash artists lashing with super long nails. I think that a lot of people have an issue with lashing with long nails because they call it unsanitary, but realistically as a lash artist, you should be washing your hands all the time and using hand sanitizer. So in my opinion, I don't think it's a bad idea for lash artists to use their long nails to help isolate. I think it just makes them a better lash artist and it also speeds up their time. Unpopular opinion number two is lashing with super long lengths. So I know that this is a very hard topic for a lot of the OG lash artists because back in the day, no one would really lash over 13 millimeter. Today, it's a totally different lash world and I have no issue with lashing with longer lengths. In our Cloud 9 lashes, we now go up to 25 millimeter. So in our Cloud 9 lashes, we now go up to 25 millimeter. I think that in all of the lash sets using longer lengths, it does look amazing. You definitely want to just make sure that you're isolating properly, but you can definitely pull off this look. So unpopular opinion number three is crystallization. I am all for crystallizing your fans. I think as a lash artist, you're going to do what's best for you. And with crystallizing your fans, it's only going to speed up your sets. Also, if you're a newer lash tech, it's going to perfect your skills. A lot of people think that crystallizing isn't that great because there's too much adhesive, but if it's done correctly, you can have nice snatch bases and it's going to speed up your dry time. Unpopular opinion number four is lashing off someone's forehead. So in my opinion, this is a big no. When someone is getting a service, like a lash service, I think it's important that they are relaxing. And I feel like when people lash off the forehead, it's not relaxing. I feel like it interrupts the service. I'm not going to say necessarily it's unsanitary, but I think with your hand placement and constantly getting your lashes from the forehead, and then I just think the whole thing is probably not the best idea. I know a lot of places will actually teach that because you can lash faster doing that, but I feel like if you just put your tile on whatever side of their head, I feel like that's just as effective and they can actually relax and you're not going to be going back and forth touching them as you really shouldn't be during the service. So the last unpopular opinion is working over foreign fills. So a lot of people will require full sets. There's a lot of lash techs that will not work over foreign fills. At LivBay, we do work over foreign fills. We do have a process with that. So we always ask for video or pictures, or we have clients come in to make sure that we can work over their work. I think that because the lash industry has grown, there are a lot of amazing lash techs out there. So we always want to give them the benefit of the doubt and we are not money hungry. So if we can work over someone else's work that's properly isolated and nice and clean, then we will do so. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys got a ton of value. Question for you is, what is your unpopular opinions? Go ahead and comment below. We hope to see you in the next video.